thousand record. First we load our libraries and then unload the data. Current directory. I have to open the directory. To load the data. And see I have like 2000 observation. Okay,